What is the minimum budget for YouTube ads? Um, it really depends on how many campaigns you are running at the same time. So the way we run it is we will have at least 5 to 10 campaigns running. So one campaign, one ad group, one targeting, and 5 ads, 3 to 5 ads, right? We might have 10, we might have 20 campaigns running at the same time. But when we start and the account has got zero data in it, we start with a small number, which is about $10 or equivalent per day. And the reason we start small is the first 4 or 5 days is going to go into the learning mode because of the max conversions bidding strategy, right? I don't want to be spending $50 and let the algorithm work out. And by after 5 days, we've spent $250 and we don't know what the hell has happened. So start with bare minimum. If you're comfortable with $5, start five. Let it run, but don't stop after 2 3 days because the algorithm is learning. After 5 days or so, you can start to see how it is working or not working. So those campaigns usually we start switching them off after day 7 when they've spent $60 $70 or so, and they are not within our KPIs. And it could be whatever, we're looking at conversions, we're looking at clicks, we are looking at sales, or whatever it may be. If they are not within our KPI, we start switching them off. So the expensive ones or the non-performing ones get switched off. That budget gets put into our performing ones, because if I run 10, I know 3 or 4 will start to convert at a good price. Most of them will not work. So, but you've got to test it. You can't just run with 3 and expect all 3 to perform right from day one. So the ones which are not working, switch them off, put more budget, keep as the every day goes by, and they're performing, converting within your KPIs, keep increasing it by 20%. Don't go from $10 a day to $300 a day. The algorithm is going to again go into the learning mode. Start increasing incrementally, about 15 to 20%. That's what we found the sweet spot to be. Quite often you will get pressure from the clients. Oh, let's increase the budget quickly because we're getting sales or leads. Well, they need to be patient. Otherwise, the campaigns might stop working. So hope that helps.